From leather wallets with physical cash to digital wallets with Bitcoin. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Bitcoin wallets and transactions. Let's start with the basics. A Bitcoin wallet doesn't store coins, it stores keys. Think of these keys as special passwords. Your public key is like your home address. People need it to send you Bitcoin. Your private key, on the other hand, is like the key to your home. Guard it with your life because anyone with access to it can access and spend your Bitcoins. So how does a transaction work? When you spend Bitcoin, you use chunks of Bitcoin you've received, known as UTXOs or unspent transaction outputs. Think of UTXOs as change in your pocket. For example, if you've received 2 Bitcoins in one transaction and 3 in another, and you want to send 4 Bitcoins, your transaction will use both chunks, send 4 Bitcoins to the recipient, and return 1 Bitcoin as change to you. But wait, there's a small fee for making transactions. This is the transaction fee. It compensates Bitcoin miners for verifying and adding your transaction to the blockchain. The fee isn't fixed. It varies based on how busy the network is. Now, where do you store these important keys? In different types of wallets. Hardware wallets are like secure USB devices, immune from online hacks. Software wallets live on your computer or mobile, and while they're convenient, they're vulnerable to malware. Mobile wallets are apps on your phone, perfect for everyday transactions. And paper wallets? They're simply printouts of your public and private keys. Remember, security is paramount. Always back up your wallets, use strong passwords, and be wary of phishing scams. With a better understanding of wallets and transactions, you're one step closer to mastering the world of Bitcoin. Stay tuned for more Bitcoin insights. Share and subscribe for more.